that coconut, Foxy? Is that a good coconut? He's like, that's my coconut. She goes, no, that's not coconut. She's like, why do you keep moving it? It's leaking. Foxy, is that pretty good?
You're getting coconut all over your yard, Emma.
Yeah.
Could totally be yours.
It could be yours. She's like, this is so awesome. Good girl, Foxy. Good girl.
Emma, no.
I was like, I want to be on TV. That thing is so huge. There's just no way.
Grab it again. Come on.
Pick it up, Foxy. You got it. She's like, it's too big. It's too big. That is hilarious.